Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, there's fire on the mountain, run 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 seems to be the nursery rhyme that Reno Omokri is using to Malam Buhari this time around. So with that guys, I bring you this. Jonathan's ex-aide Omokri reveals real reason for Buhari's planned trip to London. So that's the headline. Jonathan's ex-aide Omokri reveals real reasons for Buhari's planned trip to London. So now let's see what Reno has to say this time around. Reno Omokri, former aide to ex-President Goodluck Jonathan, on Monday berated President Muhammadu Buhari over his planned trip to London from Saudi Arabia. Omokri claimed that Buhari was traveling to London, where he would spend 16 days due to the issues of infighting between his wife Aisha and nephew Mamman Dawora's family, amongst other issues. Buhari will embark on a private trip to London after attending the third edition of the Future Investment Initiative in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Buhari's special advisor on media and publicity, Mr. Femi Adesina, confirmed this development in a statement on Monday. Adesina stated that on the sideline of the Economic Forum, President Buhari, who will be departing Abuja today, would hold bilateral talks with His Majesty King Salman and His Majesty King Abdullahi of Abdullahi II rather of Jordan. Reacting, Omokri in a tweet wrote, "General Buhari announces a 16-day private trip to the United Kingdom. His wife just returned from a 3-month UK trip, yet Buhari closed the borders on Nigerians. I don't know if we should pray that the border closure should keep him in or keep him out. Border closure, increased insecurity, minimum wage crisis, election pending in Bayelsa and Kogi, infighting between Mamman Daura family and at Aisha Buhari, banditry. No wonder at Malam Buhari, at M Buhari that is, wants to run to London for 16 days. So this is now the reason why Reno Omokri is adducing for Malam Buhari's escape yet again to London. This guy seems to have a particular liking for London. So he will go to Saudi Arabia to go and get his instructions from the Arab, and then he will come to London to come and cool off, because I think he's good friends with the Archbishop of Canterbury, so he'll come and hang out with his party there, and that one will give him a different set of Christian instructions, and then he'll come back to Nigeria to come and wire the people some more. Conversations in the comment section, the globe-trotting Malami that we have as a president, Malam Buhari, this is the topic of conversation now. So his wife ran to London for 3 months, and then she's come back and he's running for 2 weeks. So now they are passing in the corridors of life effectively. So now this escape me, escape you now that Aisha Buhari and Malam Buhari are doing with each other. So she runs to London and then comes back, and then he runs to London via Saudi Arabia. So what is going on there? This is the gist that we need to find out, and I'm sure some elements like that Daura girl will expose it soon enough. But what do you know? Come tell us all about it in the comment section, the goings on in the lives of our president, apparently Malam Buhari. This is the topic of conversation. But before you come have this gist, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you're making of this rather bizarre and peculiar goings on that has been going on in our country for 5 years now in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, join in the comment section, but here I say peace.